Hi, and welcome to the Corinthia Bucharest in Romania. I'm going to give you a quick tour of my suite, room 307. Quick feedback or updates about this hotel. It opened in spring 2025. It used to be a hotel previously as well. They converted the building. It had 80 rooms at the time. It now has 30. It's supposedly, and by far, apparently, the most exclusive place to stay in this city. Rooms start from, I think, €500 a night, and it's trying to put Bucharest on the map as a luxury destination. It's a beautiful hotel. I really like it. But that context is interesting because I don't think Romania or Bucharest specifically are very established as luxury travel destinations. Anyways, we've walked into the bedroom. You have your headboard there, hand painted with gold foil, featuring birds sleeping in blossoms of flowers, very picturesque. The bed is extremely comfortable. I have to say, I slept very, 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 very well. Pillows are wonderful. Toiletries here are by a Florentine brand dating from the 13th century. I believe it was founded by monks or nuns or something like that. The name's a little bit complicated. I'm not going to attempt to pronounce it. Here is the vanity unit. Toilet through there, and you have your shower to the side over there. So there's more to explore. I'm going to take you into the living space. Let's go. Here is your very spacious hallway. Could maybe put a book or something on that, I don't know. Connecting room here to the side, walk-in guest toilet. Forget the walk-in part. This is just the guest toilet. Here is the view from this room. The diversity of Romania's architecture, or at least in Bucharest, the diversity of Bucharest architecture is really intriguing. I have loved walking around and just admiring the contrasts that are visible at all points. I'll give you another example of that right now. So we're facing a communist tower block here, and then you have this lovely old European building there. So much to see. Here is your living space. I went through it quite quickly. TV to the side there. As you can see, that's the mini bar behind that cabinet there. Lots of reading material and a nice sized little dining table for four in this particular room category. So there you have it. That's your quick tour of what I think is a very, very nice hotel with some great F&B options and a spa upstairs as well. Only 30 rooms. Feels very, very exclusive. Great location. I'm enjoying it. I would recommend this property. So that's it. Quick tour of Corinthia, Bucharest.